Tumulike shigamaine na uteti na niate munini wa president thiete na mbere guteyaniria mirurungano ya AZIMIO la UMOJA akiuga Raila Amolo Odinga akoretwo agitabania mirurungano iri njira ya gukorwo akiyethera kamweneni ga gukorwo akiingira thiini wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza, undu uria munini wa president augite matigwitikiria ona hanini. Aretio ari thukuru-ini wa thekondarĩ ya Kagosho gicigo bunge kia Mathira kaunti-ini ya Nyeri hindi ya kuheana bathi thiini wa thukuru uyo. Mwandiki witu wa mohoro Jackson Mwaniki atinda mwena ucio na riboti ino makiria.
Mathaa manini mbere ya mururungano wa muthenya wa rucio tafanitio, munini wa president Rigathi wa GACHAGUA nio kirige Raila Odinga ri thukuru-ini wa thekondarĩ wa Kagosho gicigo bunge kia Mathira kaunti-ini ya Nyeri. Augite Odinga akoretwo akirehe ngahiha thirikari-ini iria ikoretwo iri wathani-ini kuma thirikari-ini ya uria wari president wa keri wa bururi Daniel Moi, undu uria aukuite nginya gituika ria gatano ria wathani wa president William Ruto, akiuga gutire mathaa na kanya ga kumuingiria thiini wa thirikari.
Now he is back. He has brought violence. He has brought destruction of property to intimidate President William Ruto and I to bring him into government. He is trying to come to government through blackmail. He is trying to blackmail us into talks. I want to confirm to the people of Kenya that the government shall not give in to blackmail. And nobody will come to power through violence.
GACHAGUA ni akomithitie mirurungano iria Odinga akoretwo agitabania, akiuga ti ya Thayũ amu muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio abangite njama na iria yacokire gucina muthigiti, kanitha wa PCEA, undu umwe na thukuru wa kothi ya moko, thukuru wa muthingi wa 3 Bells, undu umwe na gutharikirwo kwa mucii kwa uria urari president Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta. Riu mirigo yothe gikuithio mutongoria wa AZIMIO Raila Odinga.
Since he started these demonstrations, no business has taken place in the Nairobi business district. Property has been destroyed. Juzi ameenda Kibra, ameincite watu wamechoma msikiti. Ameincite watu wamechoma kanisa. Wherever he has been, he has left a tale of destruction of property.
Rigathi ni ateteirie atongoria kuma gicigo kia Mount Kenya matongoretio ni Kimani wa Icũng'wa mũmbunge wa Kikuyu, Ndindi Nyoro wa Kiharu gatagati ka atongoria angĩ aingĩ kuona makoretwo marĩ gĩtugĩ kĩnene kũrĩ thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
Wachana na viongozi hapa ya Mlima Kenya. Nimeona wanataka kuingilia kiongozi wetu Kimani Icũng'wa, Ndindi Nyoro. Ningetaka kuambia hao watu ya AZIMIO that munatumiwa kupigana na viongozi wa Mount Kenya, kupiga vijana wetu, kupiga Kimani Icũng'wa, kupiga Ndindi Nyoro, kupiga wengine, so that they destroy our future. I want to tell them they will not succeed.
Riu ni oritie a Kenya matigakorwo na guoya o wothe na makaroka wira o ta mutugo muthenya wa rucio, amu thirikari ni iharĩrĩirie o kuigana harĩ kũgitĩra Kenya.
I want to assure the people of Kenya that tomorrow Kenyans should go to work and open their businesses. The government has made elaborate and adequate arrangements to protect life and property. The government has a constitutional mandate to protect life and property of the rich and the powerful.
Handũ-inĩ ha ceceni ya Wega TV kuma Mathira kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri, njĩtagwo Jackson Mwaniki.